Eibach is well known for their springs and suspension parts on everything from quarter midgets to Baja on both dirt and pavement. Their American racing springs are made in Corona, California to the strictest of standards and tolerances. They've been around for more than 70 years, and a lot of Lucas Oil Late Model Dirt Series teams depend on Eibach, including Josh Richards of Clint Boyer Racing. Josh, why is it so important with racing springs to be consistent with their spring rate?
I mean, everything that we do as a racer, I mean, everything needs to be consistent. You know, if I go out and knock a shock off the corner of my car and a spring gets tore up or something, we know we can go grab another Eibach off the shelf and it's going to repeat every single time. I mean, the rates, you know, second to none. Everything is consistent. And as far as, you know, the durability, making changes to conform to what we want, they do a really great job and offer a lot of different lengths and different rates and different coil spacing and everything that we do to make springs progressive or not progressive or do everything. They do a really great job of conforming to what we're looking for, and they you know, we know we can count on them.
These suspensions continue to evolve and change, and I think it's important probably for someone like Eibach to really stay on top of those developments.
Yeah, absolutely. They do such a great job on many forms of racing, and you know, they've done a really great job in the dirt late model world, and the cars are always evolving, always changing, and things are, you know, the outsides don't change a whole lot, but underneath they're always evolving really small. The adjustments are getting smaller and tighter, and they do a phenomenal job in catering to what we need.
Whether you're on dirt or pavement, Eibach's got some parts for your race car. Check it out at eibach.com.